Hey, what's up? Today we have the review of waterproof wireless Bluetooth speaker. It is called TREBLAB HD7. Please do not confuse it with TREBLAB HD77. HD7 is a compact version of HD77. The new speaker is almost 2 times lighter and much smaller than the previous model. But the main question is, the sound quality is still amazing? Let's find out. The speaker comes in the cardboard box of the white and blue colors. There is the image of speaker and its name on the front side. On the back you can read main features of this speaker, such as ability to connect two speakers, IPX6, water resistance, 12 watt power, built-in mic, 360-degree sound, etc. On the side face you can read about included accessories. Let's check it out. Here is the speaker. There is also a small box on the right side with carrying strap, micro USB charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable, user manual, and even carabiner. The package of this speaker is very good. Although it is budget Bluetooth speaker, it has extra accessories, which is very good. Now let's look at design of TREBLAB HD7 speaker. TREBLAB HD7 is really small. However, this is not bad, because the compact size is the feature of this speaker. The dimensions are 158 by 65 by 62 mm. The weight is only 365 grams. The speaker comes only in black color. The speaker grill occupies the entire body, making the sound 360 degree. Also, there are plastic panels on the top and bottom. They provide a good grip, so the speaker doesn't slip on the surface. This is especially important for waterproof speaker. You can use it near the swimming pool, and don't worry that the speaker will fall or slide. If we started talking about water, then TREBLAB HD7 has IPX6 water resistance. The speaker is full waterproof, so you can even swim with it in the pool. However, I wouldn't recommend using it in the salt water like the sea or the ocean. By the way, TREBLAB HD7 is not only waterproof but also shockproof. This is a rugged Bluetooth speaker. On two sides there are subwoofers, they provide amazing bass. As for the control buttons, there is power, volume down, play pause, and volume up. You can also use volume buttons to switch tracks. On the other side, there is the mount for carrying strap or carabiner and tripod mount. 3.5mm audio jack and micro USB port are located under the rubber flap. You should close this flap before you go swimming with speaker. That's all about design. I really like build quality of this speaker. Also, I do like the size and weight. It is very convenient to carry with you. Now let me show you how to connect the speaker to mobile device. It is very simple. So when you first take the speaker in your hands, you need to press the power button. Then you will see the blue flashing light. Now go to the Bluetooth settings menu on your smartphone, tablet, PC, laptop or any other device. There you will see a new device called TREBLAB HD7. Just tap on it and that's all. You can listen to music. Now I want to check the sound quality. I'm gonna turn on a few tracks, as well as the movie trailer, and you listen to them. Also, I want to show you how to switch tracks. Just press and hold the volume up button to play the next song. Also, you can press and hold the volume down button to play the previous song. By the way, I forgot to say that TREBLAB HD7 has built-in microphone. When somebody calls you on smartphone, you can press this button to answer the call. The mic quality is pretty good, just like the speakerphone on your mobile device. The speaker is equipped with 2600 mAh battery. The manufacturer promises 25 hours of listening to music. While I was testing the speaker for about 1 hour, the battery level dropped by only 3%. I think it is a very good result. Full battery charge takes about 3 hours. After the review of TREBLAB HD7, I can draw a conclusion about the new speaker. The main advantages of this speaker is compact size and lightweight. Also, it has shockproof and waterproof body. This is a rugged Bluetooth speaker. The pairing is very fast and simple. It is also very important. As for the sound quality, it is very good despite the compact size of the speaker. Double subwoofers provide loud and clear sound with good bass. The battery life of 25 hours more than enough to listen to music in nature or on the beach. Thanks for watching this video. In description I will leave the links where you can buy the speaker. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.